So we develop a software that can generate hardware very easily. So the user can simply define the system he wants to have using block diagrams, and he can parameterize the blocks, and this is defining then the requirements that the user wants to have in his board. So based on this, we're able to generate all the hardware files that he needs, the schematics, the bill of materials, the layout, and also the embedded software that is running in the microcontroller. So this is one example of a system that the user can define. So there are some blocks like sensors or input voltages, digital inputs, and he can have also outputs like a PWM or Bluetooth. And in between there is a logic connecting these inputs to the outputs. And the user can simply parameterize these blocks. There is a set of settings for each of them, and then just click in generate, and this is then going to be sent to our servers, and then we are able to generate all the hardware and software files that are needed to manufacture this board.
So you have this on screen, and can you show what the actual hardware output is? You have a sample of that?
Yep. So this is an example of a board that was generated with our software, and it was completely automatically generated.
Okay.
So we have here a set of inputs. We have, for example, a CAN interface, we have a Wi-Fi module, we have a microcontroller, and this was completely generated based on a requirement like this one.
Yeah, and does the software also allow for simulating, so that you, before you actually start producing the hardware process, that you can check all the functionality?
Yeah, we are currently working on this. This is a requirement that is often coming up, and we want to make sure that the user also knows that he defined correctly the system before he can manufacture it. So yeah, this is for sure something that we're working on, and this is also very important for us.
So what is your hope that, what did you take away from the show? What do you hope to?
Yeah, I hope we get a lot of contacts here. We are currently also looking for pilot projects where we can test our system and really make the how can I say, the hard tests in the industry with it, and yeah, hope we can learn a lot with it and further develop our product.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your quick introduction. I hope it all goes well.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah? Bye bye.